Whenever you have to defend yourself, use your bare hands as a last resort. So in other words, when should you use a weapon? Whenever you can get your hands on one. So if you're being attacked, it's serious business. It's unprovoked and it's unavoidable. And obviously you would like a real weapon, like a firearm or a knife. And I don't know what the laws are where you're at, but whatever you do, do not break the law. If it's illegal to carry a gun, don't carry a gun. But sometimes too, those weapons are available, but they're not accessible. You can't get to it quick enough. So what about everyday objects around us? And I just grabbed a few things, and I did really quick here. So what one you wouldn't think of, and you might, well, why would I have a dustpan in my hand? I don't know, but you'll get the idea. Whatever environment you're in, you could see things differently. My gosh, that would just be deadly how sharp that thing is. And my Bob, by the way, got so beat up, I put foam in it thinking it'd be soft. It's like cement. So this thing is really hard and it's not breaking this. I could also see holding it this way and smashing it with it this way. Heck, man, it's just a dustpan. Here's the broom that came with it. So maybe I'm sweeping up and jabs could be done with the broom. And then you come in and break his leg with a side kick. A cup. Boy, sometimes I'll just loop my finger in that. So I now can't, lose that thing. That cup's like metal though. And I didn't grab it for that. It just happened to be. Now, what if that was a ceramic cup? Obviously, I think it would have broken. It could be kind of nice. I have this jagged, sharp piece of glass. Maybe I didn't have time to grab it like that, and I just had it like that. What do you think that is going to do to somebody's face? You're going to do way more damage. I was in the kitchen. Hey, the 6'5" guy's got reach on me. Not anymore. I must admit, it's kind of flimsy, isn't it? That one didn't do so good. Maybe I just smack him in the face and kick him. Remote control. A lot of things will fit this model where you grasp it tightly in the hand and you have a little bit sticking out of each end of it. And with a little practice, you can get good with things like that. So, boy, here's my pill bottle. I think I would just support my thumb on it. And you might think, not much there. That makes all the difference in that strike. Breaking his jaw versus not. The dog dish. I think I'd hold it like that and punch with it. Well, that's a heck of a blow, and it's just simply the dog dish I picked up. Flashlights are great, and I suppose that's why they put these little sharp things around his, they call them jokingly a DNA collector. I don't care whether it's sharp or not, but I have that same model of gripping it this way and delivering hammer fist. Your phone is always with you. Maybe it breaks the phone. Who cares at that point? Use your bare hands as a last resort. Try to get your hands on a weapon.